Welcome back. This is round 2 in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Aenon Town Primary on 3 and Hagley Park Prep on 6. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics between Altricia Dawson of Aenon Town Primary up against the captain of Hagley Park Prep, Captain Jaden Russell. Altricia, we begin with you. How much change should you get back when you spend $25.87 from $100? Time's up. Jaden, want to try?
Yes, miss. $74.13.
That is correct. Altricia, what's the ratio 13 to 78 expressed in its simplest form? Time's up. Jaden, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 1 to 6. Altricia, what is 3 3/4 divided by 1/8? Question passes to you. Jaden, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 30. Altricia, what's the area of a square if the length of one side is 1.2 meters?
$4.8
That's incorrect. Jaden, want to try?
Yes, miss. 4.8 meters.
That's also incorrect. It's 1.44 meters. Altricia, what is 6% of 150? Time's up. Jaden, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 9. Captain Jaden, over to you now. If you buy an item for $19.48 from a $50 bill, how much change will you get back?
$3.53.
That's incorrect. Altricia, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $30.52. Captain, what is the ratio 15 to 27 expressed in its simplest form?
$3 to 9.
That's incorrect. Altricia, want to try?
No, thank
It's 5 to 9. Captain, what is 4 7/8 divided by 3/8? Time's up. Altricia, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
13. Captain, what's the perimeter of a square if the area is 121 centimeters squared?
$22 centimeters.
That's incorrect. Altricia, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
44 centimeters. Captain, what is 40% of 240? Question passes. Altricia, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 96.
96 is correct. And that brings us to Face Off 2. It's in the category of science. It's between Tawena Marston of Aenon Town Primary up against Abasia Kemi Morrison of Hagley Park Prep. Tawena, to which group of vertebrates do elephants belong? Time's up. Abasi, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Mammals.
Mammals is correct. Tawena, what are the primary colors of pigment?
Red, blue, and yellow.
That is correct. Tawena, the cerebellum is found in which human organ?
The liver.
That's incorrect. Abasi, want to try?
Yes, miss. The brain.
That is correct. Tawena, what part of a plant is the carrot?
The roots.
That's right. Which type of rocks are formed from melted rocks deep inside the earth?
Igneous.
That is correct. Abasi, over to you. To which group of animals do crocodiles belong?
Reptiles.
That's right. When red and blue pigment are combined, which secondary color results?
Purple.
Or magenta. That is correct. The epidermis is found in which human organ?
The skin.
That's right. What part of the sugarcane plant is eaten?
The stem.
That's correct. Limestone is an example of which type of rock?
Metamorphic.
That's incorrect. Awena, want to try?
Please. Igneous.
That's also incorrect. It's a sedimentary rock. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between the captain of Aenon Town Primary, Captain Vishon Codner, who is up against Travis Livingston of Hagley Park Prep. Captain Vishon, we begin with you. Identify all the words that must begin with a capital letter in the following sentence. I am excited to visit Germany next May.
Miss I, Germany and May.
That is correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of the word shore, as in S-U-R-E.
Onshore.
That's correct. Spell parachute.
P-A-R-A-C-H-U-T-E.
That is correct. Complete the proverb. Whom the gods love. Question passes. Travis, want to try?
No, thank you.
Die young. Captain, what is the comparative form of comfortably? Question passes. Travis, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's more comfortably. Travis, over to you. Identify all the words that must begin with a capital letter in this sentence. Every January, Larry goes hunting in the mountains in Mexico.
Every January, Lavery, Mexico.
That is correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of the word legitimate.
Illegitimate.
That's right. Spell poisonous.
Poisonous. P-O-I-S-I-N-I-O-S.
That's incorrect. Captain, want to try?
Yes, thank you. P-O-S-I-O-N-O-U-S.
That's also incorrect. It's poisonous. P-O-I-S-O-N-O-U-S. Travis, according to the proverb, what type of exchange is no robbery?
A fair exchange.
That is correct. What's the superlative form of late?
Latest.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Suan Gooden of Aenon Town Primary. Suan is up against Gianni Watson of Hagley Park Prep. Suan, Oret is the Christian name of which of Jamaica's prime ministers?
Paul Bogle.
That's incorrect. Gianni, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the Honorable Bruce Golding. Suan, what's the capital of the Dominican Republic? Time's up. Gianni, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Santo Domingo.
That is correct. Suan, what's another name for the key on a map? Gianni, want to try?
No, thank
The
you.
key is also the legend. Suan, Jamaica was a colony of which country before 1655?
Spain.
That's right. In which Jamaican parish is Stony Gut?
St. Mary.
That's incorrect. Gianni, want to try?
Yes, thank you. St. Thomas.
St. Thomas is the correct answer. Gianni, we are now over to you. What do the initials PJ stand for in the name of a former Jamaican Prime Minister, the Most Honorable PJ Patterson? Suan, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Percival James.
That is correct. Gianni, what's the capital of Grenada?
St. George's.
That's right. What's the name for a series of imaginary horizontal and vertical lines drawn on a map? Question passes to you, Suan. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's grid lines, or just grid. Gianni, in what year did Spanish colonial rule of Jamaica begin? Suan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1494. Gianni, in which Jamaican parish is Drax Hall?
Pass.
Question passes to you, Suan. Want to try?
No, thank you.
Drax Hall is in St. Anne. St. Anne is the correct answer. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Aenon Town Primary on 12 and Hagley Park Prep on 17. Stay tuned, the final challenge, which determines our winner, comes right after this break.